In this quick and very simple video, guys, I want to show you guys how you can check data balance on your Glo 4G MiFi. It's very simple. Make sure your MiFi is turned on. If it's on, connect to your device, either a laptop or your phone. You can see mine is connected, Glo MiFi. You can see it, right? Then after that, come to your browser, tap and open your browser. If you open your browser, come to this search bar here and enter this IP address so that I can log into the Glo MiFi admin portal. If you enter this exact IP address, then enter it. Then to bring this page to put your password to log in. So if your MiFi is new and you haven't changed password yet, default password is admin or in small letters. So come here and put admin in small letter. But for me, I've changed my own password, so I'll come here and put my own personal password. If you put your password admin, come and tap on login. And you'll be logged into the Glo MiFi admin portal, and here's my dashboard. I know Glo MiFi has different brands and models, whereby maybe your own model could be different from mine, and it may have a different interface or dashboard from mine, but all the same thing. Now to check your Glo MiFi data balance, come on USSD and tap on it. And on this USD, then scroll down and come on this check services. Come here, edit it, and enter this code here, *323#. Then after that, come on this send, tap on this send. Processing. Okay, if you process this, you can see right here, response, you are on bonus, expired on 21st October 2025. And here's my balance. You can see right, I have 13 gig. So you just see it displayed right here. But in most cases, here will show error. But if you see error here, then go and use your message inbox, tap on it, and you'll get a message here. You can see I've got a message here. Tap on your message, and here also you can find the same message with your data balance. You can see just mine. You can see it right. It's that simple, and that's how you can check your Glo data balance. Thanks for watching, and bye.